My name is Lorand and I am a member of the Arctech. In this video I will show you a project that I was working on for 2 weeks. The project is a game, a 2D game. The game was inspired by this website. This website is called Hour of Code. This website helps you learn programming without having any knowledge about programming. So this is very important and this is very useful because it helps us learn by practice. We see that we have these instructions that we give to the character to reach the ship. This way we can see very clearly how the computer receives the instructions and how he executes the instructions, and thus we know how to think about giving instructions to the computer. This is very important and very useful. Now, the project did not include a graphical user interface. It only included the code of the game. But given the fact that I managed to develop the game in 1 week, I still had some time left. So I thought that it would be a very nice idea to implement a graphical interface as well. A graphical user interface, sorry. So let me show you what I've done. So this is the game. This is the starting page of the game. The game also has a title and a story. I thought that it is very important. It would be important and it would be fun also to give a story to the game. Not only have the mechanism but also have a story to the game. This thing adds a bit of fun and an interesting thing to the learning process. I think that is very important in your learning process to add a bit of theory, also add a bit of practice. This is very important. To go with these two is very important. Practice and theory should go hand in hand. But I think that another thing would give a big bonus to this, and that would be the creativity and imagination. If you bring imagination, creativity, theory and practice into one, I think that you will have a much better learning experience and a much more fun one. And learning should not be mechanical, should be as fun as possible. So here we have the title of the game, Minecraft World. We have the story. The story goes as follows. Your people are out of food and clothing. You have searched long and hard in the universe to find the right source of food and clothing, but you have finally found a planet called Earth. This planet is inhabited by living creatures that we call ships, that are just the right source. Teleport them all back to your home planet. So this is your objective, to teleport all the ships to your home planet. So let's play the game. So here we have our character, our map, our ships, and also the map is generated here in my program, where I can see if an error occurs, I can see where the error occurred, and I can fix it, because not all the time the error occurs in the graphical user interface. So if we move the character, we can see that the map is updated with the character's position. So when we find the ship, we see a vortex appear. The ship went into the vortex and we teleported one ship, as seen here. And the final ship, when we reach the final ship, the game ends and we receive a nice message. Good job, you have teleported 2 ships to your home planet. Thanks to you, your people are fed and warm now. But this is not all. I have also thought of implementing a bigger map. So here I have a bigger map that is a 20 by 16 map. So let's load up the bigger map. So the game starts in the same way. If we play the game, we have the bigger map. This means smaller ships, smaller characters, smaller walls, and smaller walkable paths. The map is generated again here in my code, in my program, and we can see that the gameplay is the same. A bigger map, it's very good because obviously you can do more things on a bigger map. You can have more ships, you can have more labyrinths, more different wall placement, and also it can be a start for your for you to implement a two-player mode. So I have started that as well, but I did not finish it because I did not have enough time, and but I have started it, but I concentrated more on having the one player module finished and working correctly, and after that implementing something new. So I have cancelled that idea. I have postponed that idea for now. So at the end of the game we have 5 ships teleported to our home planet, and the game ends here. So this is what I was talking about when I said that it's very important, and it was very important for me to bring in a bit of imagination and creativity to the game, but obviously creativity and imagination does not go only to graphics. It goes to ideas, to implement new ideas as well. So but I also think that these things come by default when you are doing something that you're excited about. So that's the starting line, that's the starting position that you should start from, and I encourage you more to find that which brings you more enthusiasm, and go for them. Do those things even if they seem hard. Do them because you will learn more easily, you will earn more learn much faster, and it is going to be an overall much more fun and interesting experience. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.